I'm here with Bernard Tyson, Chairman, CEO of Kaiser Permanente, a leading integrated healthcare provider in the United States. Welcome, Bernard. It's great to have you here. Maybe we can start, first by talking about healthcare and the digital transformation or the overall transformation that's taking place. You want to talk about your vision for how this industry in the landscape is going to change?
I think we are on the edge of seeing just a complete transformation of health and healthcare as we go forward. I think the opportunities in front of us are just nothing short of going to be amazing. Because, we are clearly evolving the healthcare system from a fix-me system to the question of what should we expect now going forward. I think as we now start to look at how do we integrate technology at this next level into the healthcare system, new possibilities starts to come forward. The big one for us is really how do we start to think about the holistic approach to a person's life? And it's not just health care, it's lifestyle, it's behavior. It's the whole ecosystem that makes up a person's day that will be able with digital technology to bring all that together to really understand the whole person.
That's fantastic. I mean, not only are you thinking about the broad changes in the industry, but one of the other things that you're driving, again, with some of the help with digital technologies, is the internal culture. And you want to share a little bit about that?
Well, you stop and think about it. If every single day our physicians, our nurses, our receptionists, our environmental services workers, they're with the members every single day.
Right.
They know more about the nuances of what can we continue to do to better the experience, better the relationship, better the trust, better the outcome. And so now with the kinds of digital platforms that we're looking at internally and working with internally, it opens up new channels of communication.
Yeah. It's fantastic for us, to be partnered with you around, Office 365 as it's being used inside and things like Microsoft Teams. It's fascinating to see when you empower the people inside mission-driven organization with the right tools, how that can be a massive accelerant to their mission.
And when you get everyone using it,
right?
It speaks to it's the right thing that people are looking for and asking for. Everybody wants to use their time efficiently, and having these kind of tools and connective tissues, as we call it, inside the organization where people are communicating and relating to each other and the outside world, it improves how people feel and how they're contributing, and it definitely improves how we're providing care and coverage to millions of people around the country.
I know you're one of the leading voices talking about mental health, and really, maybe you can share a bit on your vision for how we can destigmatize the conversation around this and then find the right sort of set of solutions to what is something that's so important to all of our lives.
We are working hard on destigmatizing mental health, creating new paradigms for people to think about it and reach out for help when that is needed. Ultimately, our vision is that people would think of mental health the same way we think about diabetes or cancer or you name it, heart disease, and it's just recognized as a part of our body. And inside it and outside of Kaiser Permanente, we talk a lot about reconnecting the head to the body. And that simply means to look at the whole person, which we also define as total health.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Bernard,
you
for sharing your thoughts and your leadership, both at Kaiser Permanente, but broadly in the industry, and also tackling some of the most pressing challenges of our society. Thank you so much.
Thank you.